Hello everyone. So today it's a review about Alox limited edition 2020. So Pioneer, Cadet, and Classic 93, 84, 58 millimeter knives. So we'll start with the Pioneer. So we have here a certificate, English and German. And here is the knife. Aqua blue. And the year 2020 on the back. So really beautiful knife. So it's a Pioneer wing. We have, of course, main blade, reamer, and can opener, little flathead screwdriver, larger flathead screwdriver, bolt hole opener, and wire stripper, and the keyring, of course. So a beautiful one. Then we have the Cadet. I didn't show, I think, here. 08201 L20 Pioneer. And here the Cadet is 02601 L20. So same thing, and here we have the Cadet Aqua Blue 2020. So the main blade, nail file, and can opener, small flathead screwdriver, bolt hole opener, larger flathead screwdriver, and wire stripper, and keyring, of course. So that's the Cadet. And then we have the Classic. Which is really beautiful too. (2020) and the blade, the pen blade, the file, nail file, flathead screwdriver here at the end, and scissors, of course. So a really beautiful one too. I really liked the color this year. So I really wanted to add 3 of them. So it's a limited edition for every year. We have always the same in Alox. So it's called the Alox limited edition since 2015. And every year it's a different color. And we have the Pioneer, the Cadet, and the Classic. Always. So I've also got the last year edition 2019. I'll show you that quickly. To the Pioneer. (2019). It was champagne gold. Here it's the Cadet. And here it's the Classic. (2019). I've also got the Pioneer 2018. In red. So it's a really beautiful one too. 2019. So of course it's Pioneer. Main blade. Reamer. Can opener. Screwdriver. Bottle opener. Wire stripper. And keyring. So beautiful color too. In red. So that the ones I've got. I've got the certificate. So that's it, I think. You can still find the 2020 edition. I don't think it's still available for Victorinox, but you can find on eBay or any other website. Yes, the price, it depends. Can't tell the price, but it's around 50 euros. It's 50 euros, 51, 52 for the Pioneer, 47 for Cadet, and 41 for Classic. Victorinox prices, of course. And if you buy on eBay, you can find cheaper, you can find more expensive. Depends, of course. So I think that's it for the video. If you have any question, of course, you can ask in the comment section below. You can leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Wish you a Merry Christmas, because it's coming soon, of course. And see you next time.
calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were